Okay guys, আসছে এটার মধ্যে জয়েন হয়েছে হ্যাঁ স্যার আসসালামু আলাইকুম কেমন স্যার Okay guys, I used another device because of the two consecutive of my classes is started today 11 o'clock and 12 o'clock. So I need to use the two devices. The one device is not cover everything. I test the other device, is sound is not fine. Now I think everything would be fine in this condition. Okay, just a second, you clear me, the sound is clear and everything is clear. Okay. Just ensure me my sound is clear or not. Today I am going to talk about Saif sir is took the class last time. He talked about this dot product in details and do some mathematics as well. Today I go through about the vector or cross product. Okay, I am going to discuss about the vector and cross product. After that you have completely the calculus side, the differentiations maybe, but dot and cross product is quite long and it's a very technical than dot product. Okay, what is the cross product is that we said that the cross product or vector product is the product of magnitude of two vectors and the sine of the angle between two vectors. Okay, magnitude, the product of magnitude between two vectors and the sine angle between two vectors. So what are they? Let things you can draw in here. Here is vector A and another vector is B. Okay, the lies between the theta angle from A to B, and here is a unit vector eta. Okay, this cross product is moves like that in the right hand skew type. You see my hand is goes like that, is goes up. This is the unit vector, is goes up. Okay, and it is moves like that. Okay, always moves like that, and there is you get the unit vector. So when it is moves like that, this angle between two angles is called, they said that is the sine angle between two vectors. Okay, so what it would be, so we can write it down, A cross B equal to eta cap. Eta cap means unit vector. When you write down about the vector product or cross product, you put the unit vector in here. Do you hear me clearly? Okay, so you put the unit vector in here. Guys, would you please notify the other students, because very poor students in here, we have 2-3 teachers in here to watching that. Would you please notify to other? Okay, thank you Tawfiq. Okay, so it is comes through eta AB sine theta. Okay, take notes please. The product of two magnitude of two vector, the product of magnitude of two vector and the sine angle between them, and two of the sine angle between them, along with the unit vector. A unit vector সাথে AB and sine angle between them. This is called the vector or cross product. Clear? Okay, so A cross B equal to eta into AB sine theta. Understand? This is called the vector or cross product. Okay, there is some conditions about the vector or cross product. Okay, if theta is equal to 0 degree, if theta equal to 0 degree, then A and B is parallel. How it is the A and B parallel? I said that if theta equal to 0 degree, then A and B is parallel. Okay, so A cross B is comes to like that, eta cap AB sine 0 degree. Okay, sine 0 means 0. That means A cross B equal to 0. If there is a sign something like that, if theta equal to 0 degree, that means they are coplanar in the same plane, in the same directions. Then they said that A and B is parallel, that is comes to eta equal to AB sine 0 degree. Then A cross B equal to 0 degree. If some mathematics coming in, they ask you that the A and B vector are parallel, they give A vector and B vector like dot products. There is just some of the questions is coming like that. If they just said that condition, these vectors are parallel to each other. Understand? Okay, then you definitely understand that A cross B equal to 0. Okay, then you do the cross product, which results is 0. Understand? Clear? Okay. If theta equal to, we said that if theta equal to 90 degree, then A and B is perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular one to each other, is perpendicular. Okay, remember this condition, it's very important. So A cross B comes to eta AB sine 90 degree. So sine 90 degree values is 1, so eta equal to eta AB comes like that. That means it is perpendicular. Okay, if theta equal to 90 degree, that is perpendicular, that is this value is not 0, but it will be maintains one condition in a 3-dimensional Cartesian space. Okay, I will show you how this moving moves and perpendicular to each other. I write it down, two Cartesians figure, and show you how the perpendicular condition is and how it works. Okay, first you take the notes from here. Okay, do you understand this one? Okay, take notes and say that you were okay. Do you take this note? Okay, এটা তোলা হয়েছে, তোলা হলে বলো so it's clear. Yes sir, Akash clear, and somebody said that is clear. আরো কেউ বলো তোলা হয়েছে কিনা, ঝটপট তুলতে হবে। Okay, clear guys, response please. Jawan Hassan clear. Okay, আর যারা নিতে পারছো না তার স্ক্রিনশট নাও। ওকে, আমি একটু সামনে আগাই। হ্যাঁ, টপিক ডান, থ্যাংক ইউ। আচ্ছা, তাহলে আমি এটা মুছে ফেলছি। ওকে, আমরা এখন দুইটা we see the two Cartesian spaces, how this vector is working. দুইটা Cartesian space এ ভেক্টরগুলো কিভাবে কাজ করবে। ওকে, now we see two Cartesian space, that is, here we understand that vector I, j, k. Okay, this is, you say that A frame and another is B frame. Here is another vector I, j and k. Okay, you see three Cartesian space last time, and Saif sir also discussed in dot product. Okay, three Cartesian space. Now we do the cross product in three Cartesian space. Then what will happen? If they are, I said that if they are parallel to each other, then I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is 0. How they are 0? Okay, we see that I cross I. That means if the value we take this always 1. Okay, that's so if you want to justify any statement, we take this in a Cartesian coordinates and each value is 1. So we find out 1 into 1 into, there is also eta cap in here. In the first time you put the eta cap, don't forget to give eta cap. 1 into 1 sine 0 degree. Sine 0 means 0, everything is 0. So I dot I equal to 0. Okay, and you can write it down, j dot j, j cross j equal to 0 and k cross k equal to 0. Okay, understand? I cross I, eta value of I is value of 1 we always take, and sine 0 degree because they are parallel to each other. This I and this I is parallel, this j and this j is parallel, k and k is parallel. Okay, so eta 1 into 1 sine 0 degree, so it comes, the sine 0 means the whole is 0. Okay, it comes to 0. So I cross I equal to 0, j dot j, k cross k, all are 0. Understand? Do you understand guys? Okay, now I talk about some different something. It always moves in an anti-clockwise direction. anti-clockwise direction. It moves, the screw goes in anti-clockwise direction, it comes out. It always moves in anti-clockwise direction, okay, like a screw, right hand screw position. This moves like that, like the current flows and lines of forces producing, you studied in class 10, and this is also goes something like that. Flaming light and rules is something like that, okay. Its globe is anti-clockwise direction, that means it goes I cross j, j cross k, k cross I. That means all are positive if you go through in this way, but if you rotate in other way, the results comes in negative, okay, understand. So we go first in a clockwise direction, I cross j, and what is happened? I cross j, that means eta cap ij, I is 1, is j is 1, we put it 1 1 value, okay, every value is 1 into 1 into sine, because I and j is 90 degree, sine 90 degree, that means I cross j equal to eta. But you see that I cross j means when the I or j planes lines, there is another unit vector lies in here. Which one is the unit vector lies in here? I, j, another unit vector lies in here. Our result comes in unit vector. So I, j, another vector lies in here which is perpendicular. Here I and j 90 degree, and another vector is perpendicular, is k. So I cross j equal to, we can say it's k. Understand? If you see that, if you see my finger, this is I, this is j, and another unit vector. We find the unit vector in here. This unit vector is another vector which lies between I and j plane. Here is a unit vector is anyone. If j cross k, I is unit vector, k cross I, j is another unit vector. Do you understand that? Okay, which lies between two planes perpendicularly, like a flaming right hand rules, okay, understand. This is comes to I cross j equal to k. Do you understand? এটা ক্যাপটা বুঝি নাই, ক্যাপটা বুঝো নাই, ক্যাপ, a cap is তোমার হলো গিয়ে, this is a unit vector, this is a vector sign, is another way, eta cap, okay, eta is the unit vector, and we give this types of cap. All the caps are vector sign, nothing else. When we write down AB, we give in a longer vector sign, but when you write it down unlimited small separator like I, j, k, I, k, we give the eta, phi, we give the normal this types of vector sign. Understand that? Okay, it doesn't make any big function. Okay, understand guys? Why I cross j is comes to k? Please guys, thank you miss. You need to be responsive, you understand or not? Guys, do you understand? Okay, very poor attendance, huh? Okay, you need to be always Irfan Shafi, thank you very much. Okay, so we said that in other two cases, what is this comes to? We goes from here to here, I to j. Okay, now we go from j to k. Another way chance we go from k to I. Now second quadrant, we go from j to k, j cross k, which is comes from eta cap. Same something is coming in. We done. I don't need to be right in the second time. So j to k is means it comes to I. There's the unit vector coming in, and j and k plane. In j and k plane, unit vector I is lying here perpendicularly. Okay. So j cross k equal to I, and k cross I equal to j. That's the clockwise. If it is goes in anti-clockwise, then what will happen? I cross j equal to k, j cross I equal to I, k cross I equal to j. Okay, k cross I equal to j. Okay, that is coming in. It is completely reciprocal to the dot product. Then if it is a goes in anti-clockwise, then what will happen? Suppose it goes from I to k, k to I, not k to I to k, k to j, j to I. If it is goes from like that, from start from here, this is clockwise, this is comes to anti-clockwise. Now it is goes in clockwise like that. Okay, then we see that what will happen. First j cross I means anti-clockwise, yeah, clockwise is coming in. So you need to be change the sign only. Only the vector products, it shows the negative sign if his direction has changes, because it doesn't follows the commutator law. Okay, j cross I equal to minus k cross j, k cross j is goes in another reciprocal direction, minus I, then I cross k equal to minus j. This is goes in clockwise direction, which is in a minus size is coming in, because it always goes anti-clockwise direction. If it goes in clockwise direction, minus sign coming in. Understand? Do you understand that? Guys, do you understand? I don't know the students why they are responding. Okay, guys, তোমরা বলো বুঝতে পেরেছো কিনা, তাহলে আমি আরেকটা জায়গায় যাব। ওকে, হ্যাঁ, yes, understood. Irfan Shafi, thank you, very active boy. I see you in class 9, very active person, thank you. And any other persons? Okay, do you understand that? Now we take the, yes, Tawfiq, thank you. And take notes, please, who are present, don't leave. Okay, thank you, miss. Acha, now we see that if we take that Cartesian space in 3 vector, we say that A and B vector. আমি এটা মুছে ফেলবো? নাইমুর রহমান, thank you. Do you understand? আমি এটা মুছে ফেলছি। নাবিল এমডি স্যার আবার একটু। আচ্ছা, যদি if you see that if the vectors is goes, the Cartesian form is goes in anti-clockwise, I cross j, because it goes in right hand rule direction, like skew rules. Okay, I cross j, j cross k, k cross I. It is, if you found is I cross j, then eta cap, you say put it 1 into 1 sine 90 degree. Okay, all this in unit vector is 1 1, we put it in there. So eta cap, only eta cap will be remain, sine 90 degree value is 1. So eta cap, if I in direction here, j is direction here, another is direction, is the perpendicular is these two vectors. See my finger, my index finger is perpendicular is these two vector, is comes in, my thumb is coming in, sorry, my thumb's coming in a k vector. Okay, so you see that I plane, j plane, and k is perpendicular in these two vectors, so results is k. I cross j equal to k, so we need to be follow these rules. J cross k equal to I, and k cross I, again k cross I equal to j. Now if it is moves in clockwise directions, that what will happen is goes in opposite way. So j cross I, we found minus k, I cross k equal to minus j, k cross j equal to minus I. Okay, only the sign will be changes in here. Okay, understand? আচ্ছা, এবার আমরা কার্টেসিয়ান 3 স্পেসে ব্যাপারগুলো একটু দেখতে চেষ্টা করি। We see that Cartesian 3 space. We write down two vector A equal to IAX JAY plus KAZ. Again vector B equal to IBX JBY plus KBZ. Okay, these two vector. There is a two vector. We now do the cross product in between two vectors. Okay, so we see that what will happen if we do the cross product. General cross we are doing A cross B. Okay, that means IAX JAY KAZ cross IBX JBY plus KBZ. Okay, now from this one we multiple of these three, from this one we multiple this three, and from this one we multiple this three, normal multiplication. Okay, so what we'll find in here, I cross I AX cross j x bj. So by this, from the IAX we multiple IBX, IJBY, KBZ. Okay, we find it out this one. Similarly, we do the JAY and multiple in these three. Okay, plus J this was is finished. Now KAZ we multiple in these three, K cross I. Guys, do you understand the simple multiplication? Okay, do you understand the simple multiplication? First I am doing IAX and multiply these three, I cross I, AX, BX, AYX, BY, AX, BZ. Okay, first row finish. Again J, just simple normal multiplication, I cross that. Okay, just go through in a normal multiplication. Take this note please first. Okay. Simple multiplication. Yes, Ifan, thank you very much. Okay, now we see that there are three peculiar things. We said that I cross I equal to 0. So I cross I this portion, J cross J this portion, and K cross K this portion is 0. Understand? Okay, I cross I this portion is 0, this one is 0, this one is 0. Okay, first we need to, now we do the operation. Okay, vector operation. First one 0 plus, second one I cross J, it is right one, it is right way, right? You see that I cross J means K, so it is K AX BY. Understand? K AX BY. I cross J means K. Okay, so K AX BY. I cross K, K cross I. Just you see, remember three things. Okay, I, J, K. It goes from I to J, J to K, K to I. If it is going in anti-clockwise, the minus sign is coming in. It goes in clockwise, minus sign is coming in. Now you see that I cross J, I cross K. That means I cross K, it goes in clockwise. So means minus J AX BZ. AX BZ. Understand? Minus J coming in AX BZ. Again, J cross I AY BZ. JI. So JI is clockwise direction. Okay, J cross I means minus sign. Again, minus K AY BX. K AY BX. Okay, this one is 0. Okay, plus 0. Then J cross K. J cross K means anti-clockwise. That will be fine. Okay, J cross K equal to I AY BZ. Again comes in K cross I. K cross I is anti-clockwise, is fine. That means J, we can write it down, AZ BX. K cross J, not J cross K. So it is minus I AZ BY. Do you understand this one? If you not, I will explain again. Guys, take notes and say that do you understand this one. So it's coming in 2 blocks of I, 2 blocks of J, and 2 blocks of K. Okay, do you understand? Rifat Raman, তুমি always busy থাকো for what? You need to do everything in your family. Okay, do you understand this one? How it is comes in I cross J, J cross K? Do you understand the operation? Sir, if we can do it matrix form also, right? Yes, I comes in a matrix form in front. Yeah, I comes in from this form. We need to be moved to the matrix form. Okay, am I yes, sir? বুঝতে পেরেছো? Okay, now we take the common and go through the matrix form. We take the common. First we take the I, 2I, first take the common. So what is this comes to? We put the plus sign first. Okay, so means I AY BZ minus AZ BY. Like what use matrix operation you are doing, same something I will be arrange this one. Plus J AZ BX minus, what is another J? Another J on the top, AX BZ. So in K is coming in K plus from AX BY minus K another format here, AY BX. AY BX. This is the final form, and this form is comes to like that. I wipe on the top something. Okay, just top one. The whole thing is comes in like that. A cross B, you put it in a matrix form, I, J, K, AX, AY, AZ, BX, BY, and BZ. That is comes to like that. Suppose when you take the I coordinates, you move, you wipe out this one and that one, AY, BZ, AZ, BY. Understand? Okay. Then Z coordinates comes in. Z coordinates is first put the minus sign, then we can operate from here, AX, BZ, AZ, BX. First wipe out this to 1. When you do this matrix form, you first I and wipe this to 1, then cross multiplication, AY, BZ, AZ, BY. When you take the J, these two block is closed. So we said that these two closed, so we said that if you find in a J, you put the minus sign first. If you don't put the minus sign first, you need to start from AZ BX. But if you put the minus sign first, you need to be start from AX BZ, AZ BX. Okay. Then case coordinates. These two block is closed. So against coming in AX BY, AY BX. So you matches this one. It comes something like that. Okay. Do you understand? Guys, do you take notes and understand this one? Just mention in here, please. বেশি ঘুমায় ফেলছো, ঘুমাই তো 5টা 6টায় ঘুমাও। এটা কি ঠিক? স্বাস্থ্যের জন্য তো খুবই ক্ষতিকর। You need to be go sleep before 12 o'clock and get up 6 to 7. Okay. Take prayers and you get an abundance of time to do the other study. Okay. Take some exercise, then you will be okay. Exakash, yes sir. Everybody take notes. সবাই এটা নিয়েছো? Okay. Then we go through the some of this problem related with this. Tawfiq, yes sir. Ifan Shafi, ক্লাস তো মনে হয় 2-3 জনই করো, কেউ রেসপন্স করো না। ওকে, রাজি ফায়েজ মাত্র এসেছে। আচ্ছা দেখো এগুলো ভালো করে খেলো। সাউন্ড কোথায় গেল? সাউন্ড আসে না। আর আমাদের পণ্ডিত BS2 এর একটাও আসে না, পারানিস রাগ, খবর নেই, বই শেষ করে ফেলতেছে বাসায়। আচ্ছা, তাহলে আমি এটা মুছে ফেলি। উই ডুইং টু ইম্পর্টেন্ট পার্টিকুলার ম্যাথ। আমরা দুইটা ম্যাথ করবো, হ্যাঁ, এই ওরিয়েন্টেড। ওকে, আমরা একটু দেখতে চেষ্টা করব যে এই ম্যাথগুলো তোমার হচ্ছে কি এই ধরনের প্রসেস ইউজ করে আমাদের কিভাবে করব। দেন উই গো থ্রু দ্য ডিফারেন্সিয়াল ইকুয়েশন। টুডে আই ডোন্ট গো থ্রু দ্য ডিফারেন্সিয়াল ইকুয়েশন। I hope so Atik sir will be come back in Monday and he will start from the differential equation. Okay, if Atik sir not coming back, I will start the Monday, but Atik sir said to me he comes back on Monday. Okay, and he started from the differential equation. If there is any lackings in this chapter, you can ask to me, then I will inform to Atik sir that that's what left. But I think so all the differential operator is completely left. Okay, that will be finished your vector chapter. It's quite long. Okay, now we have got everything. We write down is CQ. Racism. Why racism? Okay, number one, if vector A is twice I plus twice j minus k and vector V comes to 6i minus twice j plus twice k and A and B shows adjacent side of a parallelogram find its area. Okay, okay, they said that if a vector twice I plus twice j minus k and another vector b equal to 6i minus twice j plus twice k and A and B shows adjacent side like a adjacent side of a parallelogram, and they said that find its area. We know the area of a parallelogram, that means length into breadth. We can do this area of diagram we get. Okay, do you understand that? They said that area of a parallelogram. They are 43 students. Yes, Taufik. Now it is now 12, 13. Okay. And Mainulsa is also watching my classes. Thank you, Mainulsa. Amina Samin. Okay. I don't do the personal talking. Okay. If you like the class, carry on. Thank you. We said the two vector A and B in here. A and B shows the adjacent side. Adjacent side something like that. Okay, A and B the adjacent side, and find its area. They said that find its area A cross B. How it is comes to? Okay, so we can do it this one by the area of a parallelogram. We know the A cross B equal to its parallelogram area. We know the area of a parallelogram A cross B. Okay, it comes like that. So if you do the A cross B, then what is this comes to? A cross B. So it comes to I, J and K. That means now AX, AY, AZ, BX, BY, BZ. AX means 2, 2 minus 1. Okay, 2, 2 minus 1. BX means 6 minus 3, 2. 6 minus 3, 2. Do you understand that one? From these two vector I write it down a cross b I j k 2 2 minus 1 6 minus 3 2. Mahi, Tawfiq, okay, silent please, everything is monitored, okay. So do you understand this one? Ax, Ay, Az, I put the below, Ax, Ay, Az, Bx, By, Bz from these two vector, okay. Now I do this and I like this matrix cross product, okay. A new system, what is comes to first, we take this one is this one closed, okay. First take I means 2 to is the 4, then minus 3 on the 3, minus minus the plus 3, okay. That means minus j, this one and that one is closed. 2 to is a 4. You are always completed in mathematics classes in class 9, okay. This one is this one closed. 2 to is a 4. 6 minus 1 into 6 plus 6, okay. That means k means this one and that one is blocked. Minus 6 minus 12, okay. This is comes to like that. So what if this is coming in? 2 to the 4 minus minus the plus, sorry, plus and minus the minus, yeah, minus comes in again, okay. So it's all right now then. So what I write it down, this is 4 minus 3 means 1, you don't need to be write 1, minus 10j, that means minus 18k, okay. Understand? We know the area of a parallelogram, that means cross product. We need to find the value, okay. So we do the modulus of these two sides. We need to be find the value. আরেকবার একটু বোঝাবো আকাশ, এটা তোমরা করেছো ম্যাট্রিক্স 9 10 এর মধ্যে, হ্যাঁ। ফার্স্ট যদি আমরা i এর কোঅর্ডিনেটসটা বের করতে চাই তাহলে এটা ব্লকড, দেন 2 to is a 4, then minus sign is coming in, then minus is comes from formula, but here it is plus 3 minus 3 minus 1 means plus 1 plus 3, plus and minus 3, okay. It comes in minus 3 again. Minus j, we put it the formulas minus in here, this is start operation from here. If you put plus j, you start operation from here. Then j block is closed, this is the j block, this one is closed. Then what is coming in? 2 to is a 4, okay. Minus sign, formula minus and minus means plus, 1 into 6 means 6. Again k blocks is coming in, now k blocks coming in, this one is closed. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 6 multiply, then minus 6 2 is a minus 12. So it's coming in 4 minus 3 I minus 10 into j minus 18k. Understand? আকাশ বুঝতে পেরেছ? মাইনাস জে হলো কি ফর্মুলার, মাহি এটা হলো কি ফর্মুলার মাইনাস জে। এই মাইনাস যেটা আছে না, তুমি যখন এখান থেকে অপারেশন করবা ওদের মতোই করে করবা, যেটা দ্যাট ইজ কামস ইন ফর্মুলা মাইনাস জে। এটা হলো ম্যাট্রিক্সের ফর্মুলাই মাইনাস, মাঝখানেটা মাইনাস হবে, ওকে। আর যদি মাঝখানেটা প্লাস হতো, যদি তুমি উল্টো অপারেশন করতে আর কি, প্রথম 6 minus 1 করতা মাইনাস 6, তারপর হলো মাইনাস 4 যদি করতা তাহলে এটা প্লাস হয়ে যেত, কিন্তু আমরা মাইনাস নিয়েছি সেম অপারেশন করার জন্য। তুমি সবসময় মাইনাস সাইনই পাইবা সেম অপারেশন করানোর জন্য। প্রথম 2 to is a 4 minus 1 into 6 মানে হচ্ছে প্লাস 6 হয়ে যাবে একটা মাইনাসের জন্য ভিতরে। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? ইয়েস স্যার, নাও অল রাইট, থ্যাংক ইউ। আচ্ছা, এখন আমরা এই জিনিসটার হলো গিয়ে ভ্যালু ডিটারমাইন করব, কারণ আমাদের এরিয়া অফ এ প্যারাগ্রামের মধ্যে তুমি দেখেছো মডুলাস দিয়ে দিয়েছে। কারণ আমাদের হচ্ছে গিয়ে এই যে আমরা যে এরিয়া ডিটারমাইন করি, উই ডিটারমাইন দ্য এরিয়া, উই ফাইন্ড আউট দ্য ইউনিট, একটা আমরা হচ্ছে গিয়ে তোমার হচ্ছে গিয়ে একটা ভ্যালু ডিটারমাইন করতে চেষ্টা করি, ওকে। উই আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড, উই ফাইন্ড আউট দ্য ভ্যালু, আমরা এটা থেকে ভ্যালুটা বের করে নিব। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? আমাদের এরিয়ার নেচারটা এরকম, বাট হচ্ছে গিয়ে এটা এখন হলো দুইটা ভেক্টর ক্রস প্রোডাক্টে রয়েছে, এটা থেকে ভ্যালু ডিটারমাইন করতে পারলে আমরা এরিয়া ডিটারমাইন হয়ে যাবে। সো আমি একটু উপরে মুছি, দেখো কি অবস্থা হয়। আমরা যদি we now determine the value, now this one is a cross b, okay. If you determine the value of a cross b, then what will happen? Root over is coming in as square plus ab modulus dile ax bx whole square ay by square az beta square. So we can first modulus is in 1, 1 square plus minus 10 whole square plus minus 18 whole square. Okay, এটা হচ্ছে কি তোমার ভ্যালু ডিটারমিনেশনের ফর্মুলা, আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দ্যাট, ইটস ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট প্লিজ। ওকে, সো হোয়াট ইজ কাম টু, এটা যদি আমরা করি ক্যালকুলেটরে দেখো, so it comes to 1 plus 100 plus 18 square means 324. So what this comes to 425 root over 425, and so we can write it down 3 root 17. Okay, that's the answer. So the area of a vector is 3 root 17 unit. So the area of parallelogram is 3 root 17. That is coming in. Okay, area of a parallelogram is comes in 3 root 17. Do you understand that, guys? Thank you, miss. I'm a miss. Do you understand? Now I have only 4 minutes because exactly 50 I need to be left in this class and go for another live class. Okay, আমি তোমাদেরকে একটা সিকিউ দিচ্ছি, তোমরা এটা হলো গিয়ে বাসায় বের করতে চেষ্টা করবা। ওকে, যদি না পারো আমাকে ফটো তুলে এখানে দেখাবা বা ইয়া করবা, হ্যাঁ ট্রাই করবা। আমি আরেকটা সিকিউ দিচ্ছি, হ্যাঁ ইন্টারেস্টিং ম্যাথ এক্স আকাশ, থ্যাংক ইউ। আমি একটা সিকিউ দিয়ে দিচ্ছি, আমি মেবি এটা 4 মিনিটসে শেষ করতে পারবো না, হ্যাঁ, বাট তোমরা যে ট্রাই করবা যে কি হতে পারে। Find the unit vector আচ্ছা, তোমাদেরকে আমি বলেছি যে ফাইন্ড দ্য ইউনিট ভেক্টর তোমরা বের করবা অফ এ প্লেন ওয়্যার এ অ্যান্ড বি ভেক্টর ইজ লাইং, যেখানে তোমার হচ্ছে গিয়ে এ আর বি ভেক্টরটা আছে আর কি, ওই মানে শুয়ে আছে ওখানের মধ্যে, হ্যাঁ ওইখানে লাই করতেছে পারপেন্ডিকুলারলি, ওই পজিশনে তোমার একটা ইউনিট ভেক্টর ইউ নিড টু বি ফাইন্ড ইট আউট। ফার্স্ট হোয়াট উইল হ্যাভ টু ডু, ফার্স্ট তুমি বের করবা তোমার হচ্ছে গিয়ে এ ক্রস বি এর অবস্থাটা কি অবস্থা। ওকে, এ ক্রস বি বের করবা তোমরা ফার্স্টে, দেন এটার মডুলাসটা বের করবা, এই যে একটু আগে যেটা করিয়ে দিয়েছিলাম এটার মডুলাস বের করবা, আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড। দেন আমাদের ইউনিট ভেক্টরটা আসবে, এই ইউনিট ভেক্টর হবে এ ক্রস বি আর এ বি এর মডুলাসটা। ওকে, you understand that? First you need to be find out a cross b, then modulus of a cross b, then in unit vector eta equal to eta cap comes to a cross b divided by modulus, like একদম পুরো ডট প্রোডাক্টের মতো, আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? পারবে এটা? Guys, do you can do this one? এটা তোমরা হচ্ছে গিয়ে এখনই প্র্যাকটিস করো, আমাদের 1 মিনিট আছে, হ্যাঁ কিন্তু হচ্ছে আমি এখনই স্টপ করে দেবো কারণ আমার আরেকটা ক্লাস আছে লাইভ, মেবি মোবাইলের অবস্থা কি আই ডোন্ট নো, হ্যাঁ কিন্তু হচ্ছে গিয়ে তোমরা হলো গিয়ে এটা হলে নেক্সট ক্লাসে করবা। আমাদের আর হলো গিয়ে ক্রস প্রোডাক্টে কিছু নেই, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ পারবে ইরফান শাফি, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ, সবাই পারবে আই থিঙ্ক সো। ওকে, আচ্ছা আমাদের এখানে কিছু নেই, তারপর তোমাদের একটু টাফ প্লেসে চলে যাবে ডিফারেন্সিয়েশন। তোমরা যদি কেউ সাধারণ তপনের বইটা কিনে থাকো, এনিবডি, ওকে, সাধারণ তপনের বই যদি কিনে থাকো, তোমরা ডিফারেন্সিয়েশনের রুলসগুলো একটু দেখে নিও। হ্যাঁ, ওইখানে রুলসগুলো দেওয়া আছে, তোমাদের কাছে কাটকোটটা মনে হবে, বাট আতিক স্যার তোমার হচ্ছে রুলসগুলোর উপরে তোমাদের একটা রিভিউ দিবে, কিন্তু তোমাদের কাছে ওইভাবেই তোমার রুলসগুলো তোমার একটু মনে রাখতে হবে, কীভাবে রুলসগুলো কাজ করে। হয়তো বড় ওখানে ডিটেলস লেখে নাই, হ্যাঁ ডিটেলসটা তোমার আতিক স্যার জানাবে আর কি, যে তা না হলে যদি মানডেতে আতিক স্যার ব্যাক না করে, আমি তোমাদেরকে বলে দিব যে রুলসগুলো কীভাবে কাজ করে। ওকে, কারণ ওই রুলস না জানলে তোমরা আরেকটা ফার্দার স্টেপও যেতে পারবে না। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড? ওকে, Anindita, thank you very much. Thanks everybody. Thank you, miss. I need to be stopped in here. And assalamu alaikum. We need to be increase your attendance. Very poor attendance. Okay, sir is monitoring everything. Okay, so we need to be increase your attendance. I need to be join the class regularly. You don't need to be, because intermediate is very tough. Okay, so this equation is very tough. Next class will be very much interacting and be tough. Okay, because you know the first you need to be made the calculus, differentiation and integration. Okay, so it is a very toughest place. You understand, you have get the differentiation integration, I think math paper 1 and paper 2 in a both sides, because it's too important. Okay, so the next time we see that. Okay, if not, then Atik sir will take your class. Thank you, miss. Thank you everybody. Assalamu alaikum.